So continue with where we left off. After the 31 question, we are directly go to 36 question. Explain the process of installing eRuby in Apache. Installing eRuby in Apache. Apache web server with the eRuby can be configured to the phrase of Ruby embedded documents. The Ruby embedded files are created with the R18 suffix. Then the web application is configured to run eRuby and create documents. It produces the appropriate results. There are few steps that are need to be followed by using eRuby with Apache web server. Firstly, copy and the eRuby binary to the CGI binary bin documentary. Then following two lines must be added to the httpd.conf add type application by xhttp by rruby.rtml action application rttpd ruby cgi bin eruby. The user can add application, replace the dictionary index defective which include the index.rdml and allows the create directory, listing the directory that doesn't have index.html. Example, if the directory contains index.html or html or not, the following defective utilize documentary index.html, index.html, index rtHML, or directory index html, index html, cgi bin index rb. Next question is write a short notes on cookies and sessions in Ruby. Cookies are defined as storage web application state of user side. They are used for remembering sessions information. The cookies are handled by Ruby CGI class. So the CGI slash class method is used by user across the cookies that associate with the present request. Moreover, the user can also set back the cookies into browser by setting the parameter CGI out of reference array of cookies on only one cookie. Here is the example. Cookie name request CGI values message else and cookies is equals to CGI cookies.new cookies.expire. We are setting a time limit in there. CGI.out cookies stored on one cookie message. So let's go with another question, that is (41). Where is 41? No, 40, 49, 39. More specific. Here, explain the concept of SOAP and web servers. SOAPs and web servers. Ruby is encouraged SOAP implementation which allows users to write both server and clients with the help of web servers. SOAP is easiest way to incarnating with Ruby application written in other languages, C++, Java, Visual Basic, because their application doesn't know the implementation of language which network peers are working within the given internet. SOAP application can be operated locally or remotely. SOAP application, simple object access protocol. Simple SOAP is defined as mechanism that uses XML for exchanging the data among two nodes given to the network. It implements a remote procedure called RPG between distributed process. A SOAP preserves publish at least one interface with the defined or one data type, and the method that used these interfaces service are connected to the local proximity to by SOAP clients. If the method is called proxy, then it is passed to the corresponding interface on the service, and the resultant value of the service are passed back to the client through the proxy. Here is an example. First, write a class interests calculate attr read count define, neutralize, initialize, count, and def the compound principal rate frequency years. Count plus is equals to 1 principal 1.0 plus rate frequency years and end. Here is a programming explanation. So we are going with the next question, which is 41. Discuss about RT and write the simple TK application. Answer a Ruby application that consists of existence of the like GT Fox, which provides GUI graphical user interface to the Ruby. Experience from TK extension. TK extension is used for installing TK on user system. It works on both system and Windows and Unix. The user should follow certain experience for the TX Ruby. The user should have complete the knowledge about it. The user should follow certain steps to work with it. These steps are: first step, create a container. Second step, create a widget. Third step, invoke TK main load when user is ready to begin GUI. When a TK engine gets control over program shows widgets and following according GUI events and specified in code. The load of TK extension model requires TK. Created root level frame. Root is equals to TK root.new. Title: SI publishers. Make sure TK label widget as a child of root frame. TK label.net new root do. Text welcome pack proxy 20 paddy 20 side left. Padding is done and enter the main GUI event loop. The TK main loop above code can be specified in the following manner: simple code, code require TK label.new welcome pack TK main loop. Next question is 44. Describe the concept of binding events with example. Binding events user either click or enter mouse to generate events and create widgets with the help of widget band method. The banding form of event is specified widget to the code block can create. Example: requires a TK image 1 image 2 upload a image from your local server storage. Bit is equals to TK button.new image command exit pack and BT bind enter configuration image. BT bind leave the configuration image. TK main loop. In the above program, two GIF images objects are created using TK photo image. Then the button which is display the image is created. Next, enter the event bind, adapt the changes dynamically. It displays the second image and moves cursor is moving over the button. However, the leave event displays the first image again when the mouse is not over. In order to bind the name, event pass the argument following format considering the substrings are separated by dashes can be used. A modifier type detail. Modifier type detail. There first one modifier present TK in reference button control and alt etc. Type name of event details ksum of keyboard input 1 2 3 4 example 1 2 3 4 5. Example 1: when a controller key is pressed, then the binding which is triggered on mouse release the button to can be stated as controller button to release or control button release to. This event may consist of fields like XY position, time of event. These items are passed by the bind of method callback with the help of event field codes. Next question is 46. The scroll bar is required for scrolling purpose, can be used when TK canvas, TK text and TK list box are set. The communication between widget and scroll bar is used bidirectional. This is because moving the scroll bar must be change the widget, yeah, widget view, and changing the widget view must change the scroll bar position. In order to achieve the functionality of scroll bar scrolling, TK list and TK scroll bar are created. Then the scroll bar comeback calls the yView method of list which alters the value of visible part of list y direction. The inverser action is made when the list observed that needs to be scrolled. So the TK scroll bar sets can be used setting and range the scroll bar. Here is the example. First one require TK class viewer define initialize file setup viewer and start define run TP main loop and define setup view files list root tk root dot new scrolling list frame is equals to tk frame dot net new image w tk photo image dot new tk label a new frame do image dash w pack side r and list w the list tk box dot net frame does next selection mode single pack side and list w dot wind release button do bg do file name is equals to list w dot get list dash w cursor selection tpmp the tk photo image dot net file dash name scale is equals to tp length 1.2 scale is equals to 1.1 if scale is less than 1 image w dot copy tpm subsample scale if wp pack and file list dot end do name list dash w dot insert and name and sp is equals to tk scrollbar dot new frame command pack and list of scrollable command frame add ensure and view in new direct and next is q dot run output. Here you can see output scroll list scroll short image 10 9 level 12 13 14 15 yeah, scripting language scroll bar scroll list diff person is equal to scroll array. Example the above show code shows a few example tk list multiplication which follows add two elements to given list. How to set up a sample comeback release the mouse button. How to retrieve the current selection. Moreover the photo specifically TK's photo image can be used to zoom and image can be displayed different parts of image. So that is the final unit. Sorry for my language, this is my first video recording it, so please adjust it. To be specific, I created this video for my own benefit and improve myself. I hope this is useful for your examinations.